Hey friends, Adam from Bantha Overland. Today I want to tell you about a new piece of gear that we designed and have been field testing all summer for our Starlink Mini. It's a cable cord wrap to keep our cord organized and ready to go, and this high-vis orange holder. And you can also see it paired with our Starlink Mini cable caps, which keep the ends of the cables clean from dirt, water, and things like that. So today I'm going to show you how it works. So we've long traveled with our Starlink Mini tripod adapters. This one is the Starlink Mini tripod adapter that goes in here into the pole adapter that comes with the Starlink Mini, and it just fits in there, lets you put it on a tripod to get it off the ground so no one's going to trip or accidentally damage on your Starlink Mini, and you can also use that tripod to get the best view of the sky, which might not be quite where you're camped or parked. But today we're going to talk about the cable wrap. So the reason we made this cable wrap is because cables sort of turn into spaghetti, right? So this is sort of what they look like. They just get tangled, they're a mess, they're hard to put out, and so we thought there's got to be a better way, and we have all sorts of, ways to keep our electrical cords organized. We figured, why not for the Starlink Mini? So when you use this, you basically grab one side of it like a handle, and take the other side and just wrap the cord around. There's some nice angled guides right here that help that cable to find the place it needs to be. And then when you get to the end of your cable, there's these 3 inserts here, and you basically just thread the cable through there, and it stays in there. It's not coming out, it's not going anywhere. And then when you're ready to deploy the cable, you can just pop it out and unwrap it. So it's very easy to use. Again, you just slide that in there, in these 3 tabs. Easy as that. Now you can also see it paired here with our cable caps. These simply just slide right on to the end of the power cable connector. This is the 15-meter cable, the 50-foot cable that comes with the Starlink Mini in the kit. So it's probably what most of you have. And we just like these cable caps because they're fitted, and they just go on there to protect it from dirt, from mud, from water. I know when I'm unwrapping and wrapping my cable, it's often dragging on the ground. And so instead of it dragging on the ground and just this getting covered in dirt or getting wet or just, getting mucked up, if I have this cap on it and I'm dragging it across the ground like that, then I feel a lot more confident that it's going to stay clean and ready to use. So that is our Starlink Mini cable wrap. We find it pretty useful. If you're interested in checking this out for yourself, it's in the Bantha Overland store. And we look forward to continuing to field test it as we travel, but we think with about 6 months under our belts that it's ready to go, and we'd love some of you to try it as well.